Sorry again. In today's test, I'm testing out the DJI Action 3, same as the Action 4 really, in terms of its image width, and thus the wider it is, the greater perception of speed whenever you're on a bike like this, at a couple different settings. So the same setting I'm shooting at 2.7K 50 frames a second, but one is with no image stabilization, and that gives me a super wide field of view just now, and the other one is with Rocksteady, the basic level of Rocksteady, which is all that you really need. I've got this on a chest mount, so it's just on my chest just now, and when I'm riding I'm in this position here, so the camera is as up as possible. I'll try and do the same route twice, one with Rocksteady off and one with Rocksteady on, and we'll see what the difference is. So version 1 with Rocksteady off, up, do a couple of loops of some roundabouts and back to here, and then back again to do it with Rocksteady on. Won't be riding gently, we'll be riding as if we're normally riding, and it should give a good sensation of speed, because it won't be going fast at all, but it should look fast. Yes sir, they're good? Okay. Okay, so, okay, this is it. Turn this off. Right, part 2, I'll try and get it so it's roughly in the same time, and if I'm out of sync, I'll do it with, I'll just do something in editing. Anyway, yeah, so this is it with Rocksteady on, a little bit cropped in, but still pretty wide. When I'm riding, I'll be like that, make sure the camera's in the exact same place. Okay, and same route, this time with Rocksteady on, slightly narrower field of view, and obviously less body shake. Is it better? Is it worse? So let's find out. Once again, traffic lights, anytime today. Yeah, there we go. there you go. That was the two different versions of that. So there you go. Done. Okay, so version 1. Okay, this is it. Off. I'll do a couple of loops of some roundabouts and back to here. Anytime today. Yes, there we go. Okay. Okay, there you go. That was the two different versions of that. So there you go. Done.